How are you doing? This is Chris Allen calling from Carrollton, Texas, corporate. How's it going? May I ask who I'm speaking with?
This is Tony.
Hey, Tony, how's it going? I just wanted to check with you guys. It's probably not a big deal, but we got a silent alarm triggered on our end for a fire. I'm assuming nothing has happened since I haven't heard from you guys or from the dispatch unit. Could you double check on your computer that the silent alarm hasn't been triggered?
Hold on a second.
Okay, we're close. We're close. All right.
Come up with some bullshit like, hey, let me try something on my end really quickly.
Sorry, what was that?
It says all systems are normal.
Okay, we're still getting it on our end, so what I'll have to have you do, you have to pull one fire alarm, that'll reset it. It's on silent mode though right now, we triggered it on our end, it won't make any noise. Otherwise, if it doesn't, it's automatically going to send dispatch out there, and that will probably wake up the guests.
LOL.
What happened?
So the silent alarm's been triggered. The only way in our system, which will automatically send a dispatch crew out to you guys, unless it's been turned off, you have to pull down one of those fire alarms. Just physically pull it down, put it back up. It's on silent mode though, so it shouldn't wake anybody up.
Oh, poor Tony.
So you're gonna go outside and pull it?
Yeah, you just have to pull one.
Who is this again?
Chris Allen. Are you the manager on duty tonight?
I'm the only person here.
Okay, okay.
Just tell him to comfort him. Like, you can call your manager to confirm if anything, but I'm here to help.
Microphone's still a go. Oh my god. If this guy does it, this is legendary.
Crazy as fuck, dude.
Tony is fucked.
I paid $2 for this shit too.
Okay, so I don't have the thing to turn it off, so if I pull this, it's not gonna go off?
Well, it depends on which one you have. You should have a handle one. Just the handle, two-prong handle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
just pull it down.
He doesn't have it, so just confirm with him that it's yeah.
Hold on, I have to go outside the
Grumpy
office.
Dusty.
I don't have one in the office.
Okay.
Says OMG.
Oh, fuck.
This is so...
Oh my god, he pulled the fire alarm, guys!
Dude, you need to hang up. You need to hang up.
Hang up now, dude. Yo. What?
Oh my god.
Was that the alarm? That shit
Scary Jaguar here.
This shit is
Says
Holy shit, bro.
Scary Jaguar here.
fucking
Says
god.
You need to block that number. You need to block that number now.
You guys,
Block the number.
you need to turn